Welcome. If you're looking to empower your Telegram group admins and keep your community more active with stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow group admins to post stories on Telegram. This feature is a great way to share updates, highlights, or behind-the-scenes moments directly with your group members. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head over to the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats. Just tap on the group you want to manage. Next, tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details and manage settings. Look for the Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon, and tap on it to enter the editing menu. Now, find and select the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Tap on the name of the admin you want to grant story posting rights to. This will bring up the Admin's Permissions panel. Scroll down until you see the Manage Stories section. Under this, you'll find the option labeled Post Stories. Simply toggle this switch on to allow the selected admin to post stories on behalf of the group. Don't forget to tap Save at the bottom to make sure your changes are applied. Once you've done this, the chosen admin can immediately start posting stories for your group. With this update, your group can take full advantage of Telegram's new story features, making your community more interactive and engaging. Stories are a fantastic way to keep everyone informed and entertained, and now your fellow admins can help keep the content flowing. That's all it takes. Enjoy the new features and keep your Telegram group lively and connected.